The Department of Public Health is entering its next phase in the war against COVID. Community testing launches this Saturday at the Astumbo Gym.
It's to target the immediate neighborhood.
According to Dededo Mayor Melissa Savares, residents of Sagan Linayan who are experiencing mild symptoms related to COVID-19 are asked to either drive or walk up to the gym to get tested.
What we've done, especially at the gym, is because, it's community-based, right? There's people that don't have transportation. We've already made lines, social distancing lines on the, so, 6 feet apart.
Right.
So you're not going to hang up against the wall and have your conversations with they'll be distancing in the walking line.
Masks will be mandatory, and if residents don't have one will be provided. There's about 80 homes, equating to anywhere between 400 to 500 individuals living in the Sagan Linayan housing area.
We have multiple families, multi-family units living in these households. You have 2-3 generations, parents, grandparents, and children. Mm-hmm. So, which age group would you be more concerned about? Those that are 40 and over, 50 and over? Of course, those elderly, but if they're not asymptomatic, then of course they don't. And everything is with voluntary testing.
Although this Saturday's community testing pilot project is just for those residents living near and around the Astumbo Gym, everyone and anyone with mild symptoms such as fever, cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, loss of taste or smell should get tested by contacting any of Public Health's community health centers, Tier 2 clinics such as AMC, FHP, SDA, or your private physician.
There's no we're not saying that you can only come to these outreaches to do your testing. You can go to any community health center, which is Northern and Southern Public Health. Come drive to the front. Say you want to get tested. There is a questionnaire that the nurses or the staff would ask, and then if you meet those criteria, then of course you're going to get tested.
This next phase of testing is so that public health can determine the prevalence of COVID-19 in the community. Based on the results, the government can make decisions on when and how to reopen the island. Currently, the governor's mandatory social isolation policies remain in effect until May 5th, which means island residents are still encouraged to stay home unless you're experiencing COVID-19 symptoms that it's imperative you get tested immediately. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Sabrina Salas, Matanani.